Hello, today we are going to change gradebook settings in D2L. So first we're going to go to Grades, then we're going to go to Settings, then we're going to go to any of these tabs. So first up is Managing View Display Options. So this is Personal Display Options, so this is how you see it. Then here you can change how your student sees it. And then here you can change how it's calculated. Now I'm not going to change any of this right now, so I'm just going to, but if you did, you would want to save. So I'm just going to go to Grades. Then I'm going to go to Manage Grades. So here I'm going to show you how to set up categories. So we're going to go to New, Category. Now we've already got category 1, so I'm going to set up category 2. And I'm going to save and close. And see here you can see category 2. So now I'm going to set up an assignment. I'm going to go to item, and here we want numeric to set up a grade. And I'm going to call this assignment 1. Here you can set the category. So here I'm going to have this category 1, and there you can see that assignment under category 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a new item, same as before. This time I'm going to make it assignment 2. Save and close. Oops. Too bad I didn't set that up. However, I can go to Edit. And also you can change the points and other things here, but right now I just want to set it to category 2. Boom. You can do that way. So that's how you can set up all of those. Obviously you can set up any grade that you might want in that fashion.